guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally going to be dyeing my hair again. I am going back to pastel pink. The last color I had was lavender, but I've been actually dying to try the XMONDO color Super Pink on blonde hair. So last time I tried it, I had a faded blue, so I tried to cover it up, and it still gave me a really cool like mixture of pink and purple and stuff. But you know, I've just been curious to see how it will look on blonde hair. There is still like a lavender tint. I did my roots yesterday. They're actually a little yellow, so I might do a darker batch of the pink for my roots to make sure I cover that up. But yeah, I figured that since, you know, pink and lavender are very similar, that it would be fine to put the pink over the faded lavender. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so as usual, I am going to be using some just cheap white conditioner to dilute the dye, since I do want it pastel. Putting about that much, quite a lot, because I do like it very light. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that, mix it in with my conditioner, and I don't have exact measurements. I'm gonna try to kind of recreate the color I created last time, just a very pretty light pink. Okay, the color's almost perfect, but I'm gonna put in a little more, just because I don't mind if it's a little darker than I like at first, just because then it'll last longer. Okay, I think I am happy with my color. Sorry, the lighting here is a little yellow, so I feel like this isn't very accurate. I'll put a little picture right here of how it actually looks. Alright, hair section, I'm going to be starting down here, although I will be splitting it up into even smaller sections. So I'm just going to clip this up, and gloves. Can't forget that. So I'm not really going to worry about doing a darker color on my roots for most of my hair. I'm really just going to do that on top and like here where you really see it the most. Also, I feel like my roots are more yellow here than they are down here. So yeah, that's the plan. And now we'll just begin. I'm actually really excited to use this dye because I feel like my hair has been feeling, you know, a little damaged lately. And this is actually really good. It has so many good things in it. So I'm excited. Last time I used it, my hair felt so good after it. I always get so excited when I'm dyeing my hair pink. Like, I just miss it. Every time I do another color, I just can't wait to go back to pink. Okay, so I covered everything, but now, as I said, I'm going to mix a darker batch just to go over my roots, because I don't think this pink is going to cover it. And also, I just really like when it goes from like a darker color to lighter. I think it looks really pretty. Okay, so just made a tiny bit, and it's almost the same color, just slightly darker. Hopefully this will cover the yellow. Alright, now I'm just going to leave this on for about an hour and then rinse it. So here's how it turned out. So cute. I love it. I'm so happy I'm back to pink. My hair feels really nice, which is always a bonus. That's why I really like this hair dye. And yeah, my roots turned out, instead of darker, although they are a little bit darker, if anything, they're like brighter than the rest, which I think is cool too. But yeah, I'm glad I did that because it definitely covered up the yellow roots. And I'm just really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!